This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Please, my lord. My lord, a purely rhetorical and political retort, my lord, by the petitioner, a lady parliamentarian against the egg filters, my lord. But this is the affidavit of service, my lord. My lord, where, my lord, following an incident where my lord, eggs were thrown.
Waiting for the state.
Eggs were thrown at her, my lord. She condemned the anonymity and asked them to face her instead of hiding in the crowd with Borkha. It was alleged that she said she has insulted the Hindu girls by religion. Now, my lord, what prayer I have here, if your lordship sees the FIR, my lord, the letter of complaint at page, my lord, is 27, it starts, my lord. It's a formal FIR, my lord, and the letter of complaint just thereafter, my lord, is 29, subject to 30, subject to correction by your lordship. No offense has been disclosed with deepest respect, my lord. And the de facto, I'm sorry, my lord.
Yes.
Now, my lord,
What is your case?
my case is, my lord, A. In the YouTube, my lord, the post which is there, my lord, has not been taken down at the instance of the police. The word Hindu is not there even.
What?
The word Hindu is not there, never uttered by the petitioner. Number two, my lord, assuming the allegations to be true, my lord, no offense has been disclosed. Now, what is bizarre, my lord, the repetitive and continuous issuance of, my lord, 35(3) notices. Now, my lord, now she is attending, my lord, the monsoon session, my lord, in the parliament, which has just commenced yesterday, my lord, which will be up to, my lord, 14. My prayer before your lordship, my lord, I will participate in the investigation. Kindly grant me no courtship and the liberty to appear, my lord, through video conferencing mode.
What are the sections?
My lord, the sections are all are, my
You
lord,
are getting FIR is annexed.
my lord, just before that, my lord, it's subject to correction by
Yes,
your
yes,
lordship,
page
page 27.
Page
My lord,
20.
196 is, my lord, promoting enmity on religion. It's 3-year punishment, highest. My lord, 29, my lord, subject to correction.
Page 29.
I'm
yes.
obliged, my lord. Then, my lord,
196 is making speech.
promoting enmity on religious basis, my lord.
Just
The highest, I'm sorry, my lord.
is 196, then 299.
299 is,
It
my
is
lord,
cognizable,
cognizable, my lord.
cognizable, but up to 3 years.
Up to 3 years, my lord. Next one is 299, my lord, act to outrage the religious feeling, my lord. The Hindu or Muslim, neither of the term was used, my lord. It's again 3 year, my lord, subject to correction by your lordship. And 353 is, my lord, public mischief. Now, I'm sorry.
So all are below 7 years.
All are below 7 years. Number what is irony? I have lodged a complaint against the egg filters, but that has never seen the light of the day. No FIR was registered. And as a counter plus, my lord, my complaint, your lordship will see I have given everything, my lord. I have annexed it, my lord. Your lordship's pleasure will be to come to 32 only. Kindly see the second paragraph at page 32, which was prior in time. My lord, your lordship's page 34. I'm sorry, my lord. Its page is not matching one. But a second para at the very outset, my lord. No. Why do you say something? Okay.
Yes. Page?
My lord, 34. Kindly see page 34. It's reply. 34, my lord. This one.
This is your complaint.
which has not been registered.
But that is not the issue here.
No, my lord, that
Before-
one of the prayers I have, but that's not.
Acted by,
My lord, I know, my lord, I have,
So
my lord, I have learned the law from your lordship, so I will not praise that, my lord. I am just drawing your lordship's attention to this complaint in order to demonstrate the malafide, my lord. That my complaint, which has made out an offense, has not
It
seen
was
the light.
not acted upon, but
I am deeply obliged.
but against you a complaint has been lodged and 35(3) notices are issued.
On the basis of unabashed false statement, my lord, repetitive notices issued. So, my lord, what I pray, my lord, kindly grant me liberty to participate, my lord, through video conferencing mode.
Yes.
Kindly, my lord, see when the petition was affirmed, I really do not know.
Affirmed.
Yes.
2nd July.
Now, my lord, after, my lord, the notice, the first notice, she does not, my lord, turn up. What is her defense? Kindly come to, my lord, page 32. A letter of 29th of June. Lordship got that one.
Yes.
Kindly come to the second paragraph. At the outset, I
Page
made.
32.
Yes.
Page 32.
Yes.
It's a Bengali document.
No.
My lord, it will be page 33 in your 34 in your lordship's brief, my lord. Sir, আপনার আর আমারটা একসাথে পাইছে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ দাদা সেই
Yes, page 34. A letter dated 29 June 2026.
Yes. Very well. My lord, kindly come to the second paragraph. At the outset, I must place on record that the notice has been deliberately served at an under construction property which is not registered in my name and which any reasonable inquiry would have revealed is not my address. This is her complaint. Now, my lord, I have document to, my lord, show, my lord, inquiry revealed that, my lord, this is a tenanted property of, my lord, the petitioner before your lordship. There is document to that effect signed by her, and it's not an under construction building.
Page 36 টা দেখো, মানে আমাদের 34 corresponding to 33 যেখানে নিজের অ্যাড্রেসটা লিখেছে সেটা আগে লিখেছে নিজের অ্যাড্রেস লিখেছে আনন্দ পল্লী করে আমাদের 34 যশোর পিটিশনে 36 this was prior to issuance of the notice so she did
Now, kindly come to the next document, my lord. I really do not know whether the page would tally.
36 sir.
Page 36.
Yes. No, this is a notice, page 36.
Yes. Kindly come to that. First paragraph. I, so and so, daughter of so and so.
It's not telling.
Sorry.
Page 36.
My lord, 25th June,
Reply.
or maybe 34.
My lord,
No, it was
Yes, page
34.
40.
Hey,
Page 40. What
No, no, it's 34, my lord.
happening? No, page 25th June. I so and so, yes.
Yeah.
Well, 25th June will be 40, your lordship is right, my lord.
আমাদের 34
Yes, Mr. Mitru. Page 40.
I, so and so, daughter of so and so, an elected member of presently residing at Anandapalli, Kodimpur.
আর এখানেও নোটিসের এবারে একবার অ্যাড্রেসটা দেখো
And my lord, when notice goes to this address, our defense is it's an under construction building. You have served it there. Now, my lord, this is first. She does not appear. Then, my lord, a further notice is given. She does not turn up. A third notice is given. Those are not in the petition. Third notice and fourth notice, those are not in the petition. And a fourth notice is given. She does not turn up. Now, my lord, I can understand, my lord, my lord, prayer made that, my lord, no coercive step to be taken, my lord, that much I can understand. But let her cooperate, my lord. She cannot, my lord, say that I will not cooperate and
And I will evade notice.
yes.
Yes, Mr. Bhattacharya, why you are not
My lord,
complying?
kindly
with the
see page 35 once, my lord. The page, my lord, learned advocate general has shown. Sees the second page of that, my lord. Page 35, last paragraph. Kindly see, my lord.
Is 35, দাঁড়া,
Sir, 30
মিলবে না তো আবার।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, আমি 35 আপনার সঙ্গে মিলি।
ও আচ্ছা,
আপনার আবার 33 স্যার।
আমার 33।
33
না আমরা তো 34 দেখিয়েছি।
So petitioner expressed her willingness to cooperate.
Number two, my lord, my address
Fact
is
remains, taking note of the submission made on behalf of the state respondents, as Mr. Mitro you are submitting, that there were previous notices issued against the petitioner which were not complied with
Yes,
for one pretext or other.
yes.
So therefore, I will ensure compliance of this notice. But since all sections are sections which are added to the criminal prosecutions are prescribing imprisonment below 7 years. So therefore, let there be no coercive steps. Let her cooperate with the investigation.
Absolutely. Only thing I can say, my lord, I have nothing to, my
Yes.
lord, add. Only thing I can say is, my lord, it's not, my lord, their case, the petitioner's case, that if she goes there, my lord, coercive step would be.
no, my lord, that's
No,
the case.
That's true.
That's the case.
That is correct.
Our own
But considering the present scenario, there might be apprehension.
Our own parliamentary constitution.
my lord, I
might
really
be
do not
apprehension.
know. I really
Mr.
do not
Mitro,
know.
You know the other days,
I-
what was happening.
I really do not know, my lord.
When Mr. Bhattacharya used to move matters regularly.
No, I, as of,
My lord,
And I have the opportunity in this particular determination to take up matters prior to election and
yes,
post
and
election.
after. No, only thing is, my lord, my lord, the
At a peculiar juncture, this determination
allegation
is
which was
assigned to
made
me.
in the morning, my lord, I was only apprehending that who has done that.
ওরা নিজেরই করেছে।
It's very easy to, my lord,
এটা কত?
point a finger.
Viral, only one thing, Mr. Mitro, that
I'll come back
since
with
there
it.
is an allegation, I am not entering into the veracity,
I'll
but
come back with
ensure that there no untoward incident. Since court has directed and this meeting is being organized in terms of the order of the court,
all along, my lord.
at least the dignity of the court is the
No, has to be. Only thing is, my lord, I can say, my lord, I was watching, my lord, the news, my lord, at around 11:30. My lord, the photographs which were, or my lord, the videos which were shown, my lord, was completely peaceful. Maybe, my lord, old videos, I do not know. But I shall take instruction.
সকালবেলা peaceful, আমি
No, my lord, coming back to this, my lord, if I may just request your lordship to see one page. See,
issue.
well, kindly grant me, my lord, participation through video conferencing, my lord. But I'm in Delhi, my lord, I'm attending parliament, my lord. And my lord, that is the mode which is permissible, my lord.
Your lordship is aware, my lord,
My lord,
what
this is the
difference
mode,
it makes.
My lord, in several
What
cases, this
difference
honorable
it
court
makes, my
permits.
lord. All of us know.
My lord, I just show one order, my lord. There are
Both of us,
several
my
orders
lord,
passed.
who examine
Kindly see, my lord.
witnesses.
My lord,
My lord,
video
all of us know, my
conferencing,
lord, the
but a part.
General, you will be engaged in parliament session of monsoon session
Till 14th, my lord.
14. You indicate a date on which she will appear.
But the difficulty is that if I come down, my lord, the same incident, but
I will grant you protection, but subject to your appearance in
the
person.
appearance may be through video conferencing, my
You
lord.
give me a particular date. On that date, I will fixing the first compliance, and subsequently after 14th of August, other dates will be fixed. Give me a date.
But video conferencing is a, my lord, recognized
I-
mode, my lord.
It's not
It's
about
a recognized
understand
mode,
those,
my
my
lord.
lord, the
If
difference
somebody is, my lord,
No,
from
Mr.
not,
Bhattacharya, you give me a date.
my lord, just give me, my lord, 1 minute, my lord,
Yes.
30 seconds, give me, my lord. Give me 30 seconds, my lord.
Let me start dictating order.
Please, my lord.
My lord, may I have your lordship slip, my lord?
Mr. Mitro, please come back at 11.
I have already instructed.
Petitioner,
But till such time I take the instruction, my lord, I'm not on merits. Can you see space 33 once, my lord? In an appropriate case, my lord, I'll tell your lordship, my lord, to see this, my lord, and to, my lord, just, Just,
how
my lord.
many notices have been evaded,
But we-
Mr.
my lord,
Bhattacharya?
after filing,
Four.
Four
my lord,
notices.
after filing,
Four
we
notices.
file, we mention that don't appear, my lord, they issue notice.
As a lady member of parliament has approached this court with the present writ petition, comma, inter alia, comma, seeking quashment of criminal prosecution issued against her, that is Hogolberia,
Hogolberia, my lord.
Hogolberia,
Hogolberia.
Hogolberia police station. Case Hogolberia police station, case number 150, dated 20 June 2026. 150 of 2025, 2026, dated 20 June 2026. Stop. Mr. Oyan Bhattacharya, learned senior advocate representing the petitioner, makes submission that relevant sections so far the aforesaid criminal prosecution is concerned are 196, 299 and 353 of BNS 2023, and as per those provisions, prescribed punishment is below 7 years, is well below 7 years. Stop. According to the petitioner, he is entitled to get protection under section 35(3) of BNSS 2023. Stop. At the same time, it is contended on behalf of the petitioner that she will cooperate with the investigation, but no coercive steps may be taken against her. Stop. It is also submitted that during pendency of this writ petition, which was filed on 3rd July 2026, notices under section 35(3) were issued, but same were not, could not be complied with in view of, could not be complied with. As the writ petition, as the present writ petition was pending before this court for consideration. So in addition thereto, it is also submitted. At present, petitioner is at Delhi and is engaged and shall be and will be engaged in monsoon session of Parliament, which will continue till 14th August 2026. Stop. Date.
My lord, what instruction I have taken? Up to 13th, it's not 14th, my lord, it will be 13th. My lord, 14th she will come back. Every day there is Parliament, my lord. So if it may be on 14th, she will come back on 14th and she will appear, my lord.
13th August.
Yeah, so it's up to 13th. I have made a wrong statement. It's not up to 14th.
So, where will appear on 14th? Mr. Bhattacharya later appear.
And there will be no untoward incident, my lord.
Let her appear on 14th.
No, because my complaint has not been registered on that.
It is also contended on behalf of the petitioner that prior to 14th, if petitioner is required to appear before the investigating officer in connection with aforesaid criminal prosecution, in that event she is ready to make herself present on virtual mode.
Most obliged, my lord.
Otherwise, petitioner will be able to appear personally before the investigating officer on 14th August 2026 onwards. Next paragraph. Mr. Surajit Nath Mitra, learned Advocate General representing state respondents, has opposed this writ petition, and it is submitted that previously on 4 occasions, notices under section 35(3) of BNSS 2023 were issued to the petitioner requiring her presence before the investigating officer in connection with aforesaid criminal prosecution, but those notices were not complied with. Stop. According to state respondents, reasons which were assigned for not complying with notices on that, for not complying previous notices under section 35(3) are not tenable, and according to the state, petitioner ought to have been present before the investigating officer in accordance with those notices. Next paragraph. Next paragraph. Now, character line add koro. It is specifically submitted on behalf of the state respondents that petitioner needs to appear physically before the investigating officer and investigating officer. Therefore, investigating officer, and in the event petitioner is in Delhi for attending monsoon session of parliament, in that event notices shall be issued under section 30. Notices shall be issued requiring our presence post 13th August 2026. Next paragraph. Taking note of the respective submissions made on behalf of the parties.
Though that is not her case made out in the reply. She has never said that I have the session in the parliament. I will not.
But when I have filed it at that point of
That is
time,
never
the
a case.
session
No,
was
if
not
you
there.
want, then I can permit her to appear on.
No, let her appear on the 14th, my lord.
Yes, yes.
Let her
No,
appear on
only
the
one
14th.
statement I should make.
My lord, in my lord, in response to the notice, my lord, let the honorable court fix it on the 14th, my lord. So we will not serve any further notice.
Right, but that can be
Yes,
also,
yes.
perfect. But today she is in Kolkata.
I have
but
recorded
only
that
just
since your physical presence of the physical presence of the petitioner is required, petitioner needs to appear post 13th August 2026.
My lord, fixes a date, my lord. May her appear on the 14th.
কি বলছিলাম? Next one. Taking note of the respective submissions made on behalf of the parties and nature of criminal prosecution and nature of criminal prosecutions initiated and aforesaid criminal prosecution initiated against the petitioner, wherein all sections under the relevant wherein all relevant sections providing punishment below 7 years, comma, petitioner is entitled it is a prima facie it is found that petitioner is entitled to it is found that petitioner is entitled to get protection under section 35(3) BNSS 2023 provided she cooperates with the investigation and complies with the notices issued in connection with such prosecution. Next paragraph. Investigating agencies are directed to continue with the investigation in Hogalberia Police Station case number 150 of 2026 dated 28 June 2026 in accordance with law. Stop. Petitioner shall cooperate with the investigation and shall comply with the notices, thereby making herself present before the investigating officer. Stop. Next paragraph. As it is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that she will remain engaged in ongoing monsoon session of parliament till 13th August 2026, comma, petitioner shall appear before the investigating officer on 14th August 2026 at 12 noon. No, at 4 p.m.
most probably.
At 4 p.m. Stop. For ensuring such presence of the petitioner, no further notice shall be issued by the investigating agency.
But it keeps it at 12 Malad instead of 4.
You'll come back from Delhi.
No, she will be traveling from Krishnanagar, from Kodimpur only, I understand.
From Delhi, she will come and then she will appear. Any difficulty? Your junior is very.
He is
Very
very hyperactive. So. No, because 4 p.m. means Malad, the sunset will be nearby. So
3 p.m.
3 p.m.
3 p.m. করে।
This has nothing to do with sunset, my
Sunset.
lord.
না ভদ্রমহিলা ফিরবেন তো
So ideally, she should not enter the police station.
কলকাতায় ফিরবেন তো
3 p.m.
3 p.m. my lord.
Yes, কি বলছিলাম? Stop. Next paragraph. No coercive steps shall be taken against the petitioner, subject to compliance of aforesaid conditions. In the meantime, no coercive steps shall be taken against the petitioner in the meantime, subject to compliance of aforesaid conditions, or subject to compliance of conditions alluded above. Next paragraph. No coercive steps shall be taken against the petitioner till
কোথায় ধরবো
5th October 2026 or
Most
until
obliged.
further order, whichever will be, or until further order, whichever will be earlier. Stop. Now, earlier subject to compliance of conditions alluded above. Next paragraph. In the event petitioner does not comply, does not cooperate with the investigating agency to take forward the investigation, and if she does not obey the notices issued in connection with the aforesaid criminal proceeding, in that event, liberty is granted to the state authorities to bring the same to the notice of this court. Stop. Next paragraph, list the matter under the same heading for further consideration, or list the matter under the list the matter under the heading to be mentioned for further consideration on 1st October 2020.
Only one request, madam. No egg pelting, madam. Kindly give me protection from that, because that's the original.
But as a
But
member of
fully
parliament, but only one thing, my lord. It is also expected a higher degree of responsibility, my lord.
Bhattacharya, if such incident takes place,
But that has taken place, which is why, madam, this.
now
In
certain measures are being taken. If that has,
But if one liner is
There is already an
you're
SOP.
indicated in other orders, but there was no
Already an
incident to
SOP
the
which
notice
is
of
there.
this.
And my lord, she
That's
should
true, my lord.
also
Has
exercise.
passed order, my lord. Thereafter, nothing
She
has
should
happened.
also
In
exercise,
whichever
my
matter
lord,
you are
some
looking at.
restraint as a member of parliament, my lord.
What
Instead of, my lord,
what did I say? You
making
have not,
statements, my lord,
you have not asked.
having
however, it is,
having
however,
the
it is
effect of, my
made
lord,
clear.
inciting people.
But Mr. Bhattacharya, you cannot support this.
I am not supporting. I said that there is already an SOP.
There
There is already an SOP. There is already an SOP.
Advocate General, you should not support.
There is already an SOP, my lord, in connection with the public interest litigation, my lord.
He is not prejudiced.
Now, next paragraph. However,
আমি তো অবশ্য
at
করিনি।
the time of
appearance
appearance of the petitioner before the investigating agency, pursuant to the order of this court or in terms of the notices to be issued, it is to be ensured by the police authorities that petitioner petitioner shall not be subjected to egg pelting.
Most.
I mean, she should
Any other form of
she should also, my lord, abstain, my lord, from, my lord, making insightful statements, my lord.
What is
These
the
statements,
insight?
my lord, that Hindu women should go and
When
wear
is
a
Hindu, the
but,
word is
but
not
egg
there.
pelting,
pelting, no,
so far the order is concerned passed by this court, preventing the authority or directing
No,
the
that
authorities
is
to
always there.
ensure that petitioner is not subject to it.
Oh, that is always there, but no,
To
but
that
as,
extent,
my lord, as a
yeah,
member of
you should
parliament, my
not
lord,
combat this like
I am
this,
not combating, my lord. What I am
by
saying is,
making
my lord,
such submission, Mr. Bhattacharya.
I am just saying, my lord, that these things,
Because that will encourage the persons who are doing this mischief.
so there is already an SOP regarding that. Already an SOP.
Most obliged.
Grateful, your lordship.